What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jobs. Gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 28.4K, down about 0.7 on the day. Same market cap of 549B. 24-hour volume 15.24 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we've seen a rejection from our wave 2 pullback zone. So we'd be looking for a wave 3 to take you down to 25.5K. Now, if price bounced about 1 hour's time, we have the Fed interest rate announcement. 25 basis points is expected. So if it comes in higher, that's negative. If it comes in lower, then you could potentially see a larger bounce. If we do see a larger bounce, then there's always the potential that this is an A, B, C, and it's going to push all the way up to the 78.6% fib level before coming back down. So do watch for that. If we do see a larger bounce to the upside, then there is potential that this wave 2 isn't finished yet. If we do see continuation to the downside from here, our target is 25.5K in the wave 3. Looking at our next chart, we're looking for that right shoulder. We're just consolidating right now, but we are getting closer to that neckline, the DXY. It broke back down. It faked out to the upside. Out of this ascending triangle, came back down, so we may be looking to come down to retest this level of support at about 100. But I do think that bounce is coming, whether we triple bottom here and then bounce, or just see a straight breakout to the upside from here. I do think the bounce is near, and that's when you'll see BTC come down to our 22 to 25K price target. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at, looking to come down to 25.5K. If we do bounce and break these highs, then there is a possibility this wave 2 is not finished yet. So we'll have to see what happens with this announcement. But we did break down from a double top, as you can see right here, and we're just retesting the neckline. So do watch that little pattern as well. We are currently in a Bitcoin trade, which is in profits. I gave a signal in the Discord. If you sign up to either Bitget or Bybit, grab those bonuses. I do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. You can email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. Just email me that you made your first deposit and I'll confirm you get a 30-day free trial. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.